bury the bouncer on. You think the flopper will set out? Oh god, it's 50! Crazy text from the top slot. I'm to remind you about that.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Till I leave. Why would I care? Alright, let's go again. Topslot, please. Alright, 2x crazy time. Hit it, boy! Hit it! I believe. I believe? I believe, actually. Yeah, I believe. I believe! Okay, crazy time 2x. I'll take it. Alright, everybody. Finally, we got a crazy time. Everybody will follow me through the red door. Let's see what kind of multipliers we get. Let's go! Alright, everybody, welcome to the biggest wheel in the world with a 2x multiplier. Not bad at all. Alright, everybody, decision time is now. Free flap is green, blue, or yellow. Choose between the three of them and let's see who wins the most. Hopefully some doubles, hopefully a 200. We'll see when we get though. Alright. Biggest multiplier is 200x. Let's get it. Hey man, you're not betting. Why are you thanking me?
This is the amount of money issued, 83,730 euros.
3x green, 200x blue, 30x yellow. Congratulations to you all. Let's go back. Alright, everybody, welcome back. Congratulations to 1,604 winners, especially blue team. Alright, let's go again.
Crazy time and CT on fire with the top ones. Bet in time. Bet in time. Alright, off we go. Nah, bro, they're gonna send me away. They're gonna burn me like a witch back in the day. Fucking me hissing at the wheel. Ayo, what is the host doing? Why is he hissing at the wheel? One more. Okay. This spinner. Give us that key. Come on. Give us that key. Do it. It works. I swear to you, it works. The hissing, the voodoo magic. And it's with a 5x, so boom! Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do this. So, ladies and gentlemen, we in here with a multi. Apply it 5x to everything. Thank you. And now decide your flapper, green, blue, or yellow. A 5x crazy time on its way. So make the right decisions. I wish you the best of luck. And let's do this. So max multi 1000x. Let's do this.
This is the amount of money issued, 161,799 euros.
Come back in. Gonna come back. Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Welcome back. Not bad, I would say. Yeah, 250x for green and yellow. Yeah, blue flapper a little bit lower, 75x, but still, we take it. Hey, yo, it worked. It worked. I mean, of course it worked.
Called for the two, you know. But yeah. Let's see, what are we gonna have now? A 10x on crazy time right here, ladies and gentlemen. So let's keep it going then. Well, that's a surprise. Let's go. Time for some crazy. Well, let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the crazy time. Not just the crazy time, a 10x top slot crazy time. So, what are we doing right now? Decision time. We have a green, we have the blue and the yellow. Choose one. Good luck to all of you. And 2000x is the max, so let's go.
This is the amount of money issued, 319,748 euros.
50x on green and blue, 500 for the yellow. Whew, and I'm back right here, ladies and gentlemen, with all of you. Over 1,000 total winnings, so congratulations to all of you right there. Yeah, Talia, that was a sad one. That was a sad one. Joker, hello to you. 2x on Pachinko.
Well, hello to the Pachinko, baby. Alright. So, are we ready to get some big bonuses? Yeah, Mr. Yoso, everybody's a bit sick, you know. Springtime, no wonder, you know. Alright, let's double all the trouble. Ooh, look at that 400. That looks juicy for me. I would love to get that. Alright, where are we dropping? Oh, that's close to the 400. Could it be, baby? Now, go on that 400. Just down, right down on the 400.
This is the amount of money issued, 414,998 euros.
Easy, 2,629 winners in total. Hey, that Pachinko was juicy. That's what I like to see, babies. That's what I'm talking about. Now place your bets once again. That's a good one. That's what I like to see, babies.
Congratulations, all of you. And well then, new round begins. The bets are open, so you know what to do, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck to all of you on this spin. Hopefully we can get something amazing. And let's go. Come on. 7x on crazy time. Ooh, if only we could get another top slot crazy. And maybe, yeah, if only, I would say, you know. Yeah, let's go. No, let's, well, I see you there. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Crazy Time once again. But this time a 7x, not a 10 anymore, this time a 7x. So,
let's see then what it's gonna be. And so, ladies and gentlemen, the decision time is upon us. We have the green, we have the blue, and the yellow. Well, choose one. Good luck to all of you. And let's see, well, what are we gonna get? So, 1,400x is the max. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued: 403,628 euros.
Green 700 for the blue and 105 for the yellow. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Over 1,100 total winners, so congratulations to all of you. And let's keep it going. That's a sweet one right there. Woo!
My friends, hello. And we got multiple 100x's. We're chilling. Let's apply the 25x Topslot on this beautiful cash, huh? We got 2,500x max multiplier. Hey, let's shuffle everything. I'm just built different. I'm just built different. I'm just built absolutely abnormally. 25x cash entry. It's easy as that. So let's see what we got. Everything is shuffled now, my friends. Pick your own icons. I'll leave it to the auto pick. I'm gonna pick my own icon. I picked my own icon. So yeah, you got 6 seconds to decide what you want to go for. 2,500 X's on the board. So let's see. Decisions are closed. I pick that free. It's my favorite spot to pick.
This is the amount of money issued: 318,970 euros.
At the wheel, we got the 177 2,500 X winners, and we got 1,813 total winners. Congratulations, my friends. Alright, so bang. That's a banger. Listen, throw now. You got 2,500, JK? Hey, sick, man. Sick. That came out of nowhere. Honestly, that came...
And later in evening time is all yours to get the first place bets. Keep in mind that you also can place bets on all the bonds segment as well as the number segment as well as an play option. To the betting side players, good luck. There we go. Actually, do you like to travel? And we have 25x at a ton. What's the favorite country you have been to? Maybe you have any suggestions to me? Like, really, I suggest you to go to this and this country. So maybe you have some kind of suggestions. I would like to hear that, actually. Because, yeah, maybe you have some kind of a...
This is the amount of money issued: 824,752 euros.
5x from the Topslot, 3,441 with 2 winners, and you're those winning. So, ladies and gentlemen, you're winning those winners. Feel free to place your bets. Grace and Loader and one player, top trainer says, I love you too, Ghost. Are you real, Ghost? Are you a real ghost? Let's close. Good luck. Actually, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, do you believe in a ghost? Do you believe that they exist? I love you too. You are choosing the one, the number, the bond turn. You think the flopper will set out? Oh God, it's 50. Crazy time. Okay, let's cover your best. So let's see. And maybe we're getting, are we? No, wait, no. We are getting that crazy time with a 50x, ladies and gentlemen, with a Topslot. Here we go. Wow. Okay, come with me. Let's go. So welcome everybody to the biggest wheel here, the crazy time wheel, and we have 50x from the Topslot. I'm to remind you about that. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. I can't believe my eyes. I also can't believe, yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's your decision time. So you can pick how you want the green, yellow, or the blue one. So the choice is yours. So here we go, decision time clears. 5,000x the maximum player. Good luck! are getting a double for the yellow one. Wow, Legion, now I actually can't believe my eyes. There we go, 10,000x. What? Another double for the yellow one. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. So right now the maximum player is 20,000. Good luck to everybody. Here we go.
This is the amount of money issued 9,192,677 euros.
The very green one, 500 for the blue one. So congratulations all winners. We have betting time and that is 7,406 winners. Amazing. What was that, ladies and gentlemen? So we got a crazy time. We're the first X from Topslot. Well, there was
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.